Hello, I'm Michael Finn, and I am a holistic exercise and lifestyle coach. And today, if just one of you makes changes in yourself from this video, it will affect millions. Alright, hopefully I got your attention. So, what I'm going to talk about is teamwork, love, respect, happiness. I know 4 things, but we always have to kind of like include a lot of different things that kind of all intertwine together because everything intertwines together in life. So I just got back from a tournament playing with my team, the Austin Blackhawks, and one of the big things that we always have to remember in life is everything is about teamwork. We can't do everything by ourselves, and in reality we can't do really anything by ourselves. So to go and play in this tournament, I need the family that runs the van service that gets me from my house to the airport, the pilots and the flight attendants that take care of the plane and the airport, and all the other people that go to the destination I'm going to, so it's actually a flight going from where I want to go to where I want to leave from where I want to go, and then all the other players on all the other teams, and the coaches and the volunteers, and the places, the people that mow the fields that we play on, and all of those people are a part of my life, and they're a part of my team to allow me to continue to play sports throughout my life and now into my 50s. So we have to remember that we need to set the example and respect all of those people and love all of those people and love ourselves and do our very best so that we respect them by going and showing up and doing our best, as well as respecting them when we can and saying thank you and appreciating them for what they do, no matter if it's something that, even if they're a difficult person or what have you. But without them, we don't get to do the things that we really want to do. So super important to be focused on teamwork and everybody in your life that is going to be a part of it, whether it's family members or whether it's your garbage man or lady that pick up your garbage, or the mail person that delivers the mail. Every time the UPS driver drops a package on my porch, I'm like, thank you, because without that person, that package doesn't get to my porch. So all those little things, it's so very important. There's times when I'm at a tournament like that where people might call me a name or something like that, and maybe it's because they don't like me, and that's okay, it's perfectly fine. And I hope that maybe it makes them think about what they want to be and how different they want to be from me, and that is perfectly okay, and that's awesome, and that's great. There's other people that call me names in all reality out of respect, because they know that I've worked really hard and I always show up to do my best over my entire career. And so there's times where I've made plays and I've put them out of the game and things like that when they really want to do better. And I don't take that as a shot either. I laugh it off, and they know that I know that it's just joking around and having fun and just being like, hey, great that you're doing your best. Sucks for me because you did better than me today, but that's all great. So, and that is the joy of teamwork. And if we all focus on that in every aspect of our life, whether it's focusing on the teamwork of trying to do your part for renewable energy by just using it yourself, or telling a friend that, hey, there's a way to get solar on your house, or sharing this video and telling other people, all those different little things in your life have a big effect on thousands and even millions of other people. So set the example, do your best every day to the best of your ability. None of us are perfect, we're all going to make mistakes, it's all going to happen, but if we just try to do our best every day, what can we say at the end of the day other than the fact, hey, I love myself for doing the best I actually did? So, teamwork, love, respect, happiness, enjoy it all. Have a happy and healthy day, and I'll see you next time in the next video.